Students, I hope you are doing well. So, I am back again with a new video in our C++ programming tutorial, and today we will learn about friend functions. Okay, now what is friend function and why we require friend function? Okay, so in the previous videos we have discussed about the access specifiers of the class, correct? And the default access specifier of a class is private. So in that we have seen that if your data is private, that data can be accessed only within the class. Okay, we cannot access the private data of the class outside the class, correct? So if you want to access private data, you can have a friend function. First method is that you can access that data inside the class only with the help of member functions, or you can access that data outside the class with the help of friend function. Clear? So friend function is used to access all your private and protected members of the class. Clear? Okay, but these friend functions are not the members of the function class. Okay, these are not the member of the class like your member function. Okay, these are just your friend functions of the class. Clear? Like your family. So you have your family. If you have some private information that you can share with the family but not others, correct? But you have some friends to whom you can share your private information. Okay, same way you consider that the class and the member functions inside the class are the family, so they can access all the data, private, public, and protected. All the data can be accessed inside the class. Okay, but if that data can if that data needs to be accessed outside the class, then there should be a friend function who can access the data outside the class. Understood? Okay, the syntax for, okay, if you want to declare the function as friend, so there is friend keyword. Friend keyword is used to declare the function as a friend function. Clear? Okay, syntax for declaring is class name. Inside the class we declare the function as a friend function, but remember this friend function is not the member of the class. Okay, we just declare it inside the class, like you just introduce your friends to your family, but your friends are not family, correct? Your actual family is different and your friends are different, but you are introducing your friends to your family. In the same way, here we are declaring the function as friend inside the class, but these are not the members of your class, correct? Okay, as these are not the member of the class, we cannot use object to call the function. Okay, because when we declare the function inside the class member functions, to access that member functions of the class we require object, correct? As we are saying that friend functions are not the members of the class, so we don't require object to call this function, correct? We can directly call the function with the function name. Okay, rather you can pass the object as an argument. Okay, so you can pass here arguments. In arguments you can pass the object, but object is not used to call the function. Understood? Now we will move on to the practical session. Okay, so we'll write one program and see how this friend function works. Okay. Okay, so in this program we will try to access private members using the friend function. Clear? Okay, now I hope you all are doing with me. So we'll start the program with header file hash include iostream, correct? After that we write what? Using namespace std. Okay, that's it. Okay, now we'll define one class. Let's say class, I'm defining a class A. Okay, now in this class I have one data member which is private data member, correct? And it is A. Now to access this private data member, I require what? A friend function. So here I am defining a friend function. To define a friend function, we require what? Friend keyword. So I am defining a friend function, friend void, and let's say I want to display this, so I'm writing one function as display. Okay, now as we know that we don't require object to call the function, but we can pass object as a argument. Okay, so here this function will take one object as an argument. So object, I'm passing here argument as object. Okay, so object, type of object is class name, so I am passing here a and object. Okay, clear? So in this way you can declare your friend function. Friend, return type, function name, and into bracket the arguments. Clear? Okay, now friend functions are not the members of the class, or these are not the member function. So while defining the friend function, we don't require class name and scope resolution operator. Clear? So we will just write the function void display. Okay, this function is taking one argument, which is the object, so I'm writing here a obj. Okay, in this function we are just trying to access the data or private data of the class. Okay, so using this object obj dot, we are trying to access the data member a is equal to, I am assigning some value, initializing it with 10. Okay, and then I am just displaying this with the help of obj dot a. Understood? So in this way you can access your private data of the class with the help of friend function. Clear? Okay, now we'll write the main function after this. So int main. Okay, in main function first we will create the object. So I am creating object of my class a obj. Okay, after that, now I want to call the friend function, but to call friend function we don't require object, so I will just call it by name display. Okay, but this function is taking argument, which is, that argument is not object, correct? So here I will pass obj, which is the object of my class. Understood? Now, okay, now we'll save this program and let's execute this. So here there is spelling mistake, I think. Okay, so we'll copy this and paste it here again, this one. Okay, now save it and try it again. Okay, so here we got output as 10, which is the value of a. Understood? So we are accessing the private data of a class with the help of friend function. Okay, how you can access? So this way you can declare using friend keyword, and you can pass object as an argument. Okay, and using this object we are accessing the data of the class. Okay, understood? I hope it is clear. If you have any doubt, any queries, you can ask in the comment box, and I hope these videos are helping you to learn programming in easiest way, in simplest way, right? And you are enjoying it too, correct? So if it is so, please add your comment in the video, okay, comment section. And that's it for today. Don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.